Hey guys, very good morning and welcome to my channel Prodbug, and we'll continue with the AI series. So in the last chapter, we have seen all the terms, different terms related to the playground, OpenAI playgrounds, and we have seen the meaning of each and every words which which going to be used in our playground application, right? So in this particular chapter, we are going to play with the playground and we'll see the coding part of that. Okay, so how we can modify our response based on these parameters. So as I said, we are going to cover all this thing which I've written and maybe more than this, and all this will be done based on the coding. Okay, based on the from the code perspective. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the application, right? This is what you can try to experiment with different models, which I have already shown you. Here you need to select your model. So Chat GPT 3.5 Turbo is the latest one, the free, in terms of free version. Okay, so after this, the Chat GPT 4.0 is available. Okay, but that one is the paid one. Okay, so 3.5 Turbo is the latest for us for the time being. Okay, if you want to use as a free service. Okay, so we'll use this one, and you can also try to play among the different model. You can see how this model are replying and how this model is replying. Okay, so you can just try to experiment with this. This is a fantastic tool. Okay, now this is temperature. We have already shown that based on the number 0, 1, 2, it will decide how the creativity, how creative the response should be from the AI. Okay, the more the number, the more the creativity. Okay, but we have seen in the previous chapter that it results in some random characters. Okay, so as of now, we can't use temperature value too. Okay, so let's try with some example. So this is our temperature. Okay, so I selected. Okay, let me write this one first. Uh, as I already explained you, system. It's not very. System is just we are asking AI to behave. Okay, so we are now asking AI to behave like a film industry expert. Okay, and then comment on my query. Okay, so this is just a kind of request. So but it is not a guarantee that AI will pick what we are informing AI. Okay, so in some cases we have seen it is picking up, but in some cases we have already seen that it is not picking up what we are asking AI to be. Okay. Okay, we'll show again. Okay, so right now you are a film industry analyst. I reduce the maximum length. Okay, let's take only small output 85, or maybe let's take this much output. Okay, small 200 words output. Add a message. Okay, temperature is okay, let it be 1. Simple. 1 is the ideal value. Okay, let's submit. Okay, this much of is the output. Okay, now let's play with this and make it. Let copy paste the same query again, and nice. See, in this time it seems a nice reply. See, the answer has been changed. First of all, in the when the temperature is 1, it is very simple and normal, replied in a very normal paragraph, right? But as soon as I increase the temperature, see the output. The international content, original series, binge watching initiative. So basically, ADI try to be a more creative here. Okay, so in some cases we have seen. Okay, so like I tried to run this before. So let me show you. Add a message now. Okay, let's remove India because it's not giving the correct answer. Okay, so in this case also, like I added a city name, so still I'm not getting a correct answer. I see decreased preparing check. So it is not matching at all, right? So this is not what I am looking for. Some Chinese character has been introduced, some unnecessary tags, see. So Unix and it means it's a coming nonsense reply from the AI, right? So temperature is not always good. So this is a fantastic example. We have seen that if we increase the temperature, sometimes we get a very fantastic answer. In this case, we got a really very fantastic answer, but in this case, we are not getting the required reply, right? So that's why you have to just see based on your model, based on your area of working. So you have to see what the ideal value should be from all this. Okay, so let's so I hope you understand the temperature. It's very clear. So you can choose always from here as well. Okay, maximum length. See, this is very important. Okay, so basically, uh, you know, uh, see, I shown you somewhere here. So yeah, this one. So basically, see, tokens is nothing but uh, the maximum number of token, right? So token is nothing but a single words, which I explained you earlier, right? So every word is a token. So this bracket will be a token. This space and easy will be a token. Common will be a token, and this hyphen will be a token. Okay, so basically, the OpenAI has distinguished the definition of token is on broad term. You can just consider that token is nothing but a word. That's it. That on high level, this is correct. Okay, this is understanding is absolutely correct. Okay, so let's. This is a website where you can count the tokens. Okay, and why I will tell you why this is very important. Just give me a minute. How are you today? Okay, dot 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 something like that. Okay, let's see. See. How are you today? And this ellipsis. Okay, so there are five tokens in this. Okay, so the AI, the OpenAI or any other AI will count as a five token in this. Okay, so this is but obvious, right? How are you today? And or ellipses are combined together. Okay, so this is normal five token. Now, Chat GPT is great. Okay, so see. Ideally, the token is five, right? ChatGPT is one token, is one token, and Great is one token. So means like the common sense say that there are three tokens, but there is a catch. See, Chat, this is one token. G is another token. PT is another token. Is another token, and Great is another token. So there are five tokens. So means if we say in normal terms, it is three token, but real the OpenAI will consider this statement as a five token. Okay, because it and there is they have their own logic. Okay, you just can't find that means from your own. Okay, so you can't do anything like this is their own logic. Okay, what algo they have used. So chat is a word, single word as well. Okay, so if there are some words which is a combination of two or three words, so they have separated them. Okay, that's why chat is a separate token. So G, I don't know why, but yes, this is another token. PT, I don't know. GPT can be a one token, but yes, PT is another token. So basically, you can count the number of tokens from this particular website. Okay, you can copy paste your answer, and you can just find the token. And why token is important? Because whenever you are using the Chat GPT or any other, there are a lot of AIs. So if you are asking some query, let's say you asked here something. Uh, okay, so basically, what I'm saying, you ask something here. Say, hello, how are you? How's the weather today in Delhi? So let's say there are 15 tokens. So 15. How many tokens are there? So let's say there are 500 token. Okay, in the reply. So 500 plus 15. So 515. So AI will charge you for the 515 tokens. Okay. So basically, this website is free, right? So this is for the public use, so this is free. Okay, so there will be no charge in this. Okay, but if you are using OpenAI for your own in-house use for developing your own models, and you are paying to the OpenAI, so OpenAI will charge you guys based on the number of token has been asked in the query plus the number of tokens replied in the response. Okay, so AI will charge you for both. So you have to be very, very careful when you are developing your model, your own model. So you have to be careful what is the maximum length of the reply initially you want. Okay, because the more you will put on every query, on every hit, you will be charged more. So that's why it's not a good idea to be put like here 4,000. So always like playing for the playing, always keep it a low number, because in this account also we have received $5 free in our account, right? So don't try to overuse it. Okay, so that's why always it's a best practice to keep it as a low number. Okay, so that you won't be charged much. Okay. Okay, so I hope I'm clear. So through this you can control the reply. Okay, so let's go next. So stop sequence. So I already explained you, like, see, up to the four sequence where the API will stop generating further tokens. So basically this is the output, right, for this. So let's say you want to stop uh, AI from replying if some particular word or token has been encountered. Okay, so for example, it's better to show you the demo rather than explaining. Okay, see, fantasy. Okay, so fantasy is a word. I don't want to AI to reply this word and any words after this. Okay, I just want to stop the AI because it's going in the wrong direction. Okay, this is my belief. So let's say fantasy, and I have added here. Now let's see. I copy paste the same query. Temperature is 1, so we'll get a good reply. Okay, and submit. Okay, so where is that word? Fantasy and tab. Okay, now it has been added here. Okay, let's click on submit. So see, international cinema acquiring, and so the output has been stopped here. Let me check again. You can see the replies are different. See, the first time the reply is like this, and we copied from here something, and now the AI has changed the reply. So basically AI response is not predictable. Okay, so it is changing all the time, right? So in the further courses we will see there are few more steps from the code, basically how you can make sure that your AI is replying, means almost same thing in most of the cases. Okay, so basically we have seen that with these value we are not able to control the reply. Okay, so now it has been changed. So let me choose another word now this time. Okay, so OTT. Okay, we can choose the OTT as well, original film or romance. Okay, let's choose uh, romance and add here. Okay, okay, so romance has been added. Let me ask again the same query to the AI. Let's see what will happen this time. Okay, so it stopped. Okay, now we can compare. So it has been stopped on comedy, thriller, horror. Okay, so you can see thriller and see thriller. Okay, so thriller, comma, right? So okay, thriller, horror, and comma. Now next word is the romance. Okay, actually. Okay, and we have the capacity, enough capacity, 236 tokens. Okay, but as soon as the romance encountered, so AI will stop you there. Okay, so if you will remove, it will give you the big response. See, I will show you. You add here, you remove romance. Okay, and you submit again. Now again you will get a big response. See all the complete. Okay, so here, see, somewhere here it will must have been romance. So in the earlier reply, okay, in this reply, romance has been removed. Okay, so you need to just try to understand the behavior of the AI. Okay, so if you want to experiment again, so better to add OTT. Okay, so OTT is coming in the third line. Okay, so you will not get any reply, just only one or two line, and that's it. See, a wide array of viewer preference along with. Okay, so see, every time the response is changing. See, as a film industry analyst, in this case, AI has started like this. Okay, as a film industry analyst, because AI has considered system in this case. Okay, but here a wide array of viewer preference allowing for the more creative freedom, something else. Okay, so I don't think in this case I think system has not been considered. Okay, so basically, but we have seen that yes, as soon as the OTT has been encountered, the response has been stopped. Okay, so this is the meaning of stop response. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear. Okay, top P. Top P is, we have already seen, it's a kind of probability. So basically, from the given set of dictionary in the AI will choose only uh, if we'll set it to the one, AI will choose most of the means all the words whichever possible as per their dictionary. Okay, but if we are reducing AI so to very very less number, so we are limiting AI and we are not allowing AI to be more creative to use different words. So most of the times similar kind of words will be used. So this can be useful in case of FAQ. Let's say you are implementing some FAQ for the public and you don't want to be more creative, you want to be straight to the answer, you just one query and straightforward simple one reply. Okay, so no, there is no space for creativity, okay, in FAQ, because you understand what is FAQ, right? Straightforward query, straightforward answer. So in those cases, the top performance or probability will be on the lower side. Okay, let's see how it will reply. Okay, so we can't really make out the difference between the, because this to me this look like the same response. Okay. Okay, let's see system again. You are a 2-year old kid. Okay, so basically you are a 2-year old kid, and let's see if AI can understand. Will consider this one or not. Okay, so I as of now I should not get any response. Okay, everything looks okay. Let's submit. Ah, nice. I like cartoons and animated movie. Finding Nemo is one of my favorite movie. Nice. Okay, so there is some difference. Okay, there is some difference. At least so, but you can consider as a 2-year old kid, I expect like there should be no reply at all because kids don't know how to speak or something like that. But still, if we consider, okay, fine, we'll ignore all those things. So still, the response is very much nice. Like I like the cartoon animated. At least AI consider that it's a kid. Okay, it's a small kid, and Finding Nemo and all these things. So nice. I like this reply. Let me get some more valid. So 5 year is a good enough old kid, and uh, okay. Uh, what uh, is your favorite movie? Okay, so let's see what is your favorite movie. Now we should get some good response. Finding Nemo. Okay, so this is favorite movie for the kids, and you are a 50-year-old man. Let's see. So it's a fun, you should play with this particular tool. It's so nice to, you can understand your behavior. Okay, nice. Mhm. Okay, nice. But, so AI has not suggested any of the movie for a 50-year-old man. So this is bad. I'm not expecting at least this reply from the AI. But I hope now system is considering, right? In this case, the system has been considered properly. So this is the way you can uh, experiment. Okay, so let's get back to the main query. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, so penalty. So frequency penalty is, let's say we will penalize the AI if AI is using the same word again and again. Okay, let's say OTT is getting used or maybe something else. Okay, so basically we we don't want AI to use same words again and again. So this is frequency penalty. And presence penalty is, I already explained, like this is like even if some words, let's say comedy, is present once, still I will penalize up AI. Okay, so this is, so presence is just behave like a true false if that word particular token is present or not. Okay, yes or no. If it is yes, I will penalize the AI. If not, it's okay. Frequency, if that word is present, that is okay. If it is present one or two times, that is okay. But it is, if it is coming again and again, like the frequency is high, number of occurrences of that particular word is high, then only I will penalize the AI. Okay, and this is, we are talking about for your own model, right? So you will choose your own model, and then you will uh, make sure how your model should be behaved. So all these models has been trained via this tool or some other tools by the OpenAI people, right? So that this tool is for that, right? To to teach your AI. So let's see. This is the we already know the response. So let me put a high presence and penalty. Let's see if we can see some difference. Let's see. Okay, now we have choose a 50-year-old man. Okay, my personal preference may differ from the content. Okay, some prevalent type of the old movie, old films. Uh-huh. Okay, some difference. Okay, let's see if we'll get some different response or not. So you have seen that. Okay, so basically the response has been changed. Okay, so basically if there is no penalty, response is different. There is a penalty, response is different. So I hope something is clear to you guys, right? So let's see all these things in the in terms of the code. Okay, because that's why we are learning all this thing, right? So that we can play in the code. Okay, so now my I have already explained you this code because we have seen the similar code in the previous chapters. If not, just try to go through those chapters. And so here the query is like model. We have choose like GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, we can use this. We can remove. Okay, we can choose this the latest one in 3.5 series. We can use this one as a user, I am simply asking that please give me the list of names of world's best top 10 footballer. Okay, and temperature, we have set it as one. Okay, so through the code you can play with all these numbers. Okay, fields. Okay, so temperature is one. Higher the value, more creative. We already know. Maximum token is 100. Okay, top P probability is one. So I want AI to use all the words, whatever AI can. Frequency penalty is zero, and presence penalty is zero. Okay, so I don't want to penalize the AI, right? So this will be the response. Let's try to run this particular program, and let's see. So list of top 10 footballer, right? So here is the output. See, Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, and all these people. Okay, so here is the list of 9 and 10. Bruno. Last one is the Bruno. Okay, so this is the response. So let's see if we can modify the behavior of AI. Okay, and maximum 2, maximum 2. Okay, and let's see. So Messi, Ronaldo, if we can remember somewhere, let's copy this response and put it here. Okay, so this is the response of the first code, and let's see again run. Okay, so the output is almost same. Okay, let's compare. Okay, so the okay, nice. So see, one difference I have observed just now is as soon as I increase the temperature. Okay, so basically, I want AI to be more creative. See, the AI has introduced the country. So initially, it is only Messi, right? But now, after the Messi, they have AI has introduced the country. So kind of, it's better for user, right? Because people may not know like Messi is from which country. Uh, it's a hypothetical question because all of us know that Messi is from Argentina, but still. So this is from Portugal. Okay. Okay, see. So for the first two, we got a very nice reply, but for the Neymar, see, the country AI is not able to find the country for this person, and after that, oh my God, so everything is, see, you can't read the response. So this is the problem with the temperature field, right? So in some cases, like we have seen that for the first two replies, very, very nice. This is really what I expect. Okay, but for after that, everything has been destroyed by the AI, right? So not a good response for me. So this is how you can play exactly the same thing what we have done in the tool, but we can do uh, uh, with this. Okay, so here is a code. Like this is almost the same code, just we have introduced these 4 5 parameters. uh, that's it. And through the code you can play what we are doing from the that tool, right? So I hope this is really you like this particular chapter and you are able to understand few different things, and we have seen the practically also, and we have seen the reply is changing based on our value as well. So this is a kind of nice, right? So you can just try to use code. It's a very, very simple code and very small codes, and you can just try to play with AI. So in next chapter, we'll see some more advanced things in AI. I have prepared few things, so some translation, English to French, Hindi, and all these languages we can try to use. Okay, so basically right now we are focusing only on the text generation to Chat GPT text generation part. Okay, so once this text generation will be finished, we will move to the text to the speech model. So there are a lot of models which we need to cover in this particular series. We will go one by one. So right now our focus is only on the text generation. We will see via the text only how we can play with the AI. Okay, and then we will move to the other models. There are a lot of models. Okay, so it will be a fantastic journey. Let's stick to the series and just share your comments, share your suggestions if you are not able to understand something, or the way or something else need to be changed, or you need some more information from my side. Okay, so I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, so thank you very much, and let's see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.